Are you tired of being rejected for loans and credit cards because of your low credit score? Are you frustrated by the fact that you can't get approved for the things you want or need because of mistakes on your credit report? It's a common problem that many people face, and it can be incredibly frustrating and disheartening. But don't give up hope just yet. There is a way to fix your credit score and get back on track toward financial stability. In this video, we'll show you how to identify and fix errors on your credit report so you can start raising your score and improving your financial future. So, how do you check your credit report and fix any errors that you find? It's actually quite simple. First, get copies of your credit reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, the three main credit bureaus. You can do this for free once per year by visiting annualcreditreport.com or contacting the credit bureaus directly. Review each credit report carefully, looking for any errors or discrepancies. This may include incorrect personal information, such as your name or address, or errors in your credit history, such as unpaid debts that have been paid off or accounts that don't belong to you. If you find an error on your credit report, take note of the details and contact the credit bureau to dispute the error. Be sure to include any documentation or proof you have to support your claim. If you find errors on your credit report from multiple credit bureaus, you will need to dispute each error separately with each bureau. If you find mistakes on your credit report that you can't get fixed with the credit bureau, you might want to ask a credit repair company or a financial advisor for help. If you find mistakes on your credit report that you can fix with the credit bureau, make sure you follow up to make sure the mistakes are fixed. Keep track of everything you say and do about the mistakes on your credit report. This may help you in the future if you need to dispute more mistakes. In addition to looking for errors on your credit report, consider taking steps to improve your credit score. This may include paying your bills on time, paying off debts, and reducing your credit card balances. Consider using a credit monitoring service to help you stay on top of your credit and to alert you to any changes or errors on your credit report. Remember that it may take some time for errors to be corrected on your credit report and for your credit score to improve, so be patient and stay committed to the process. You can file a report with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, if the credit bureau or creditor can't fix the mistake. Do this every year to make sure that your credit report is always correct and has no mistakes. In addition to checking your credit report for errors, there are several other things you can do to raise your credit score. One of these is to pay your bills on time, every time. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score, so it's crucial to make sure you're paying all of your bills on time. Another tip is to keep your credit card balances low. High balances can hurt your credit score, so it's a good idea to pay off your credit card balances as much as possible each month. Finally, consider using a credit building tool like Credit Karma to track your credit score and get personalized recommendations for improving it. Credit Karma offers a variety of resources to help you understand and improve your credit, including credit score simulations and alerts when something changes on your credit report. Check out our other videos on the topic. In summary, Regularly checking your credit report and correcting any errors you find can be a major boost to your credit score. By paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and using a credit building tool like Credit Karma, you can take control of your credit and work towards the score you deserve. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and tricks.